Hi everyone, it's Ashley from Ashley Fun Time, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these necklaces. You will need, I have been using the top flaps and tabs, so you could use like the entire box. You will also need yarn, a glue gun, a writing utensil, a hole puncher that will punch one hole, and you also need scissors, and an alternative to the glue gun, you could use white liquid glue. To begin, we're going to take the flap of our cardboard and our quarter and trace, well, let me just get rid of this. We're going to take our marker and we're going to trace around it. And we're just going to keep doing this until we run out of our cardboard. So I've run out of room on my cardboard flap. I have 2, 4, 6. I have 6 that I could use if I did not double them up, but I'm going to double them up. So I will be making 3 out of this, if my math is correct. Now what I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut these circles out individually. Once you have all of the circles cut out, you're going to take a hole puncher and punch a hole through each one of the cardboard circles that you made. And it doesn't really matter if your circle is perfectly circle or not, because you may be trimming these down later. Now what you're going to do is take any 2 of these circles and place one like this and one like this. And you're going to take the hot glue gun, make sure it's heated, and you're just going to put a little bit of glue right there, and then stack it on top of another, making sure that the holes, you could see through it. And you're just going to push the glue down. Now you're just going to set this aside, and I'll show you how I do it again. Putting a little glue, just a line right there, and placing my circles on top. So I was right, I'm getting 3 out of this. And so now what you need to do is take your yarn, take a long piece and cut it, line the 2 ends together, and then go all the way over here, and you shall see a loop. Place the loop through one of the holes in the thing, open it up, and grab this. So I just put this in a double knot, and I'm going to cut off the ends. Now you have a necklace! Yay, you finished your first one. All you need to do is do that to both of these. Once you've finished making all of those 3 necklaces, you can make a whole bunch. And that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye now. Please subscribe to join the fun family. And my last video is up on the top on the right hand corner. Thanks for watching.